Hello, dear student. I hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty God. Dear student, at your home, I hope you will stay safe as our school is closed for coronavirus. You should study, but you should not go out from your home at all. So, dear student, welcome to you to the online class. At first, I introduce myself. I am Shubal Chandra Rai, assistant teacher, Thagur Road Girls High School, Thagur Road, Thagurgaon. Dear student, today we will discuss about English first paper. Okay? English first paper for class 9 and 10. Okay, dear student. In English first paper, we have to discuss Unit 1, Lesson 1. The class must be, the duration of class will be 50 minutes. Okay, dear student? So, dear student, before starting our class, please, you have to see a picture. Let's see a picture and answer the question. Okay, what can you see in this picture? Okay, and try to answer the following question. Question number A, what does Karim do in the jungle? Okay, and question number B, why is he doing that? Okay, dear student. So, yes, what do you think? It's right. Karim is trying to make his house in the jungle. Okay, and he also tried to live alone. Okay, dear student. Yes, let's read the lines of the picture. Karim makes his house in the jungle and he lives alone. So, what will be the topic of today's class? Yes, the topic will be, can you live alone? Yes, dear student, today we will read about, can we live alone? It's Unit 1, Lesson 1. Okay, dear student? So, to start our class, you have to open your book at page 2 and try to find out you have to read this text carefully and please try to find out the new words from the text. Okay, dear student, I think you have done well. Yeah, this is, we have discussed some new words. Okay, dear student, first word is sufferings. Yes, first one is sufferings. By getting help from the picture, we can gauge the meaning of this word. Sufferings. The word here we can see a girl is lying down in her bed, and we hope that she is not well. She is ill. So the meaning of this word will be, sufferings mean pain. Yeah, dear student, please try to make sentence with the word suffering. Yes. The, the sentence will be the sufferings of the girl no bound. That is, she has to suffer a lot. Okay, dear student? And let's go to the next word. Yeah, the next word is quarrel. Okay, dear student? Can we guess this picture? What are the boys doing in this picture? Yes, they are. Yes, quarrel. They are fighting. That is, quarrel means struggle or fighting. Okay, understand? If we want to make sentence with the word quarrel, the sentence will be the boys are quarreling on the road. Yes, dear student, the boys are quarreling with in the road. Okay. So let's go to the next word. Yes, next word is mice. That is, this word is the plural form of mouse. Mouse. Okay, this one. The singular form is mouse, and the plural form of mouse is mice. That is, there are many mouse. Okay, in this picture. So the meaning of this sentence will be a little creature. Mouse is a little creature. Okay, this one. If you want to make sentence with this word, the sentence will be mice are eating their food. Okay, dear student. Let's go to the next word. Enmity. Okay, next word is enmity. By seeing this picture, we can gauge this meaning of the word. That is, here cat is running after the mice. Okay, understand? So the meaning of this sentence will be yes, ill feeling. Ill feeling. Okay, understand? If we want to complete the sentence with this word, the sentence will be there is a great enmity between cat and mice. Okay, dear friend, there is a great enmity between cat and mice. Okay, dear friend, I think you understand these words very much. So, yes, dear friend, if we understand this text very much, we can do this work. Okay, dear friend, but this work you have to do individually. Okay, dear friend. So, let's read the question. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. Okay, dear friend. There is a question and answer. We can get answer from these four answers. Okay. Question number 1. Where did the young man go to live alone? Where? In a town. B. In a village. C. In a hill. D. In the woods. Okay, dear student, what will be the correct answer? Okay, dear student, yes. The man is going to live alone in the wood. Yes, you are correct. So, dear student, number 2, why did the young man leave his house? Okay, dear student, why did the young man leave his house? For having problems, A number problems, B peace, C popularity, D prosperity. Yes, dear. A number is correct. That is having problems. Okay, dear son. Number C, what were the little creature here? What do you mean by little creature here? A number cows, B number mice, C number dogs, and D number snakes. What will the correct answer? Okay, dear student. Yes, here little creature means mice. Okay. And last number, number 4. A cow was brought to dash the cat. Okay, dear student. What will be the correct answer? Number A, kill. Number B, feed. Number D, guard. Number D, take care of. C is guard and D is take care of. So what is the correct answer? Yes, dear student. The correct answer will be feed the cat. The cow was brought to feed the cat. Okay, dear student. I think you understand these questions very much. Okay, dear student. So let's go to the next question. That is, this is the work. You have to do this work in pairs. Okay, dear student. This is the gap filling activity. You have to fill these gaps. Okay, we have to fill these gaps with appropriate answer. Okay, dear student. So let's read this text first. A young man started to live alone in the jungle. One day he found some dash making holes in his blanket. Okay, so he brought a dash to kill the mice. But the cat needed milk, so he brought dash. Okay, to take care of the cow, he brought a dash. Okay, this one. And for making food for the cowboy, he was dash. Okay, this one. Then a dash was born to them. Finally, he found himself in the family. Okay, dear student. We have read this text, and now we try to fill these gaps with the appropriate answer. Okay? Yes, dear. What will the first answer? That is, one day he found some, yes, mice. Some mice making hole in his blanket. So he brought a cat. Broke a cat to kill the mice. But the cat needed milk, so he brought cow. Okay, this one, to take care of cow, he brought a cowboy. For making food for the cowboy, he was married. Yes, he was married. Then a baby was born to them. Okay, baby was born to them. Finally, he found himself in a family. Yes, dear. I think you understand this activity very much. Please try this activity at your home. Okay, this one. Let's go to the another work. Okay, this is the work. You have to discuss this work in group. Okay, dear student. Yes, this is the work for youth to discuss in group. Okay, dear student. At first, we have to read this work very much. Okay, dear student. Read this text and find out which sentence is true or false. If false, give the correct answer. That is true false activity. This is true false activity. Okay, dear student. So let's read number A. The young man was not pleased at his family life. Okay, dear student. And number B, he made his nice hut in the jungle to live safely. And number C, he brought a cat to kill the mice. And finally, number D, finally he found himself in a family again. Okay, dear student? Dear student, I think you have done your work well. So if you done this, you can match your answer with the answer script. Okay, dear student? So that is the solution of this work. Yes, dear. Number A is true, number B is false. Correct answer will be he made his nice heart to live alone. And number C false. Correct answer will be he brought a cow to feed the cat. And number D is true. Okay, dear student. So that is the time for evaluation. Okay, dear student. Please try to answer the following question. Where did the young man go to live? Okay, dear student, where did the young man go to live? Yes, he went to live in the jungle. Okay, dear student. Number B, why did he bring a cat? Okay. Yes, he brought a cat to kill the mice. He brought a cat to kill the mice. Number C, why did he bring a cowboy? So, dear student, the answer, yes, he brought a cowboy to take care of the cow. And number D, why did he bring a wife to the cowboy? Yes, dear student, he brought a wife for the cowboy to make food. Okay, dear student, so we understand this text very much. And I think you must practice this work at your home, please. Okay? Dear student, yes, now the time for your homework. Okay, you have to do this work at your home. Yes, read out the text. Okay, dear student, read out the question and you have to practice this work at your home. Write the problems of the young man to live alone in the jungle. And how he found himself again in a family. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand this class very much and you also enjoy this class very much. Okay, if you try this class, if you read and try this class at your home, it will be very much understandable very much. Okay, dear student. So this is the time for finishing the class. Okay, this one from today. This is the instruction that our government has given to us. You must follow these instructions. Okay, dear student, you have to stay at home and follow the instruction of our government. Okay, dear student, may Allah bless you.